Hey T, thanks so much for joining us again.
Absolutely.
We appreciate all of your insight that you've given our audience and the nuggets that you've given us. But tell me, or tell them, what are the major types of loans for mortgages?
I love this question because it always baffles me how much people don't know what products there are. They think a loan is a loan is a loan.
It's not.
But the primary loans that we see the most are what we call agency loans.
Okay.
So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they're an agency and they do conventional loans. And then you have FHA or HUD, they do FHA loan guidelines. Then you have VA and USDA. Those are the major loans that we see being written out in the market. Besides that, you have a jumbo loan. You have specialty niche loans that are out there. And then we have things that we can layer onto those main loans, like down payment assistance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. So guys, I want you to be informed so that you know that when you actually go out and you talk to a lender regarding a loan, you can have some knowledge as to the different types of loans that there are so that you can have options. Because then that way, if you have options, you can actually kind of decide which one is best for you. And thinking of that, so T, let me ask you another question. When they talk about loans and they're getting a loan and they're comparing lenders, how does that match, or does it affect your credit score if you start doing that at the same time?
So actually, if you're in the market and shopping for a mortgage, as long as the lenders are pulling your credit in the same 30-day window, they're all going to get the same credit score. That was a rule that was adopted to help the consumer shop for a mortgage rate and not have a different outcome during that same 30 days.
Awesome. Nugget, guys. That was a great nugget. So T, we really appreciate that.
Yeah.
And we always appreciate you coming
You're
on
welcome.
and chatting with us a little bit. Thanks again.